Ever found yourself wondering what you'd do if you got caught in a riptide or had to signal for help in the wilderness? Or perhaps you've struggled with a ring stuck on a swollen finger? Life throws unexpected challenges our way, and sometimes knowing a simple hack can mean the difference between safety and danger. Today we're diving into 12 life hacks that are not just useful, but could actually save your life in a pinch. So buckle up, and let's prepare you to tackle emergencies with confidence and ease. Hack 12. Dealing with a splinter. Got a splinter? Before you reach for the tweezers, consider this. Using tweezers might seem like the quickest solution, but there's a risk of pushing the splinter deeper into your skin, which can cause more irritation and possibly lead to infection. A safer and often more effective method is to use a piece of duct tape. Here's how to do it. First, clean the affected area gently with soap and water to remove any surface bacteria and debris. This step ensures that if the splinter does break during removal, the risk of infection is minimized. Dry the area carefully. Next, take a piece of duct tape and cut it to a size that comfortably covers the splinter and a bit of the surrounding skin. Press the duct tape down gently over the splinter. Make sure the tape adheres well to the skin, but avoid pressing so hard that the splinter is driven deeper. Leave the tape in place for a few minutes, as this can help loosen the splinter's grip on your skin. When you're ready, slowly peel back the duct tape in the direction the splinter entered the skin. This helps to pull the splinter out along its entry path, reducing the risk of breaking it off under the skin. After the splinter is removed, clean the area again with soap and water, and apply an antiseptic to prevent infection. If the splinter doesn't come out on the first try, or if it's particularly deep, it may be necessary to use tweezers after the duct tape method has loosened it. In this case, sterilize the tweezers with rubbing alcohol before gently pulling the splinter out. Always pull in the direction the splinter entered to avoid snapping it. Hack 11. Treating a minor burn. If you suffer a minor burn, the first thing to do is run it under cool water, not cold, which can shock the skin. Avoid using ice, as it can cause further damage. Once cooled, cover the burn with a sterile, non-fluffy dressing or cloth to protect it from infection. Hack 10. Escaping a riptide. Caught in a riptide? It's a frightening experience, but knowing the right actions to take can significantly increase your chances of getting back to shore safely. First, it's crucial to understand what a riptide, or rip current, actually is. A strong, localized, and rather narrow current of water. Rip currents are especially powerful near the surface of the sea and can quickly pull swimmers away from the beach. If you find yourself caught in one, the instinct to swim directly back to shore can be overwhelming. However, this is often the most dangerous choice because you'll be fighting against the current's formidable strength, which can exhaust even the strongest swimmers. Instead, remember this life-saving technique: swim parallel to the shore. By moving parallel, you're aiming to exit the narrow current rather than going against it. Continue swimming in this direction until you feel the pull of the current lessen. This is your cue that you are exiting the rip current. Once you've escaped the rip current, adjust your swimming angle and head back toward the beach. It's usually best to swim at an angle that feels diagonally away from the riptide, but still towards the shore. This strategy helps you avoid getting pulled back into the same rip current. Always conserve your energy. If you're struggling to swim, try to float or tread water calmly until the current lessens, or until you get help. Rip currents don't pull you under, they pull you out. By staying calm and conserving energy, you maintain a better chance of swimming to safety once out of the strongest part of the current. Hack 9. Creating a signal fire. If you're lost and need to signal for help, a fire can be a lifesaver. But don't just make any fire. Add green branches, leaves, or rubber to create thick smoke. This makes your signal visible from a greater distance, attracting rescuers more effectively. Hack 8. Lifting an unconscious person. Never lift an unconscious person by their arms or shoulders, as this could cause spinal injuries. If you must move them, drag them by their clothes at the shoulders while keeping their body straight, or better yet, leave them and get help if possible. Hack 7. Using honey on wounds. Instead of applying creams or ointments, use honey. Honey is a natural antibiotic and can help prevent infections while also soothing the wound. Apply a thin layer over a clean wound before bandaging. Hack 6. Treating frostbite with warm water. If you or someone else has frostbite, soak the affected area in warm water, not hot, to slowly raise the tissue temperature. This method is safer than direct heat, which can burn already damaged tissues. Hack 5. Preventing hypothermia with aluminum foil. If you're cold and at risk of hypothermia, wrap aluminum foil around your body underneath your clothes. The foil reflects your body heat back to you, helping to increase your core temperature. Hack 4. Removing a ring from a swollen finger. Swelling in the fingers can occur due to various reasons such as an injury, fluid retention, or even changes in temperature. This can make removing a ring quite difficult and painful. However, there are effective methods to remove a ring safely without causing further discomfort or injury to your finger. Start by selecting an appropriate lubricant. Common household items like soap, cooking oil, petroleum jelly, or hand lotion can be used. These substances help reduce friction between the ring and your skin, making it easier to slide the ring off. Generously apply the lubricant around the ring and the length of your finger, both above and below the ring. Ensure that some of the lubricant gets underneath the ring as well. Slowly twist the ring back and forth while gently pulling it over the knuckle. Be patient and careful to avoid pulling too hard, which might cause pain or damage to your skin. Hack 3. Dealing with a seizure. If someone is having a seizure, don't hold them down or put anything in their mouth. Clear the area around them to prevent injury. Place something soft under their head and wait for the seizure to pass before seeking medical help. Hack 2. Using aspirin. During a heart attack, if you suspect someone is having a heart attack and they are conscious, have them chew and swallow an aspirin unless they're allergic. Aspirin helps thin the blood, which could improve their chances until emergency responders arrive. Hack 1. Signaling SOS with a flashlight. If you're trapped or lost at night, use a flashlight to signal SOS. Turn it on and off in the pattern. 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, 3 short flashes. Repeat until help arrives. Conclusion. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in emergency situations. These 12 life hacks are crucial tools in your survival toolkit. Share this video to help others be prepared, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving tips. Stay safe, and see you next time.